Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the watch face down on a soft cloth to prevent scratches. Use the spring bar tool or a small flat screwdriver to compress the spring bar at the lug notch. Press gently toward the strap to free it. Hold the case steady with your other hand so the bar doesn't fly. Once one side releases, slide the strap out and retain the spring bar. This step exposes the component needing repair and prevents loss of tiny parts, so take your time and work deliberately. Once the strap is removed, inspect the spring bar and strap ends closely. A bent or pitted bar causes failure, so replace it. If the lug holes are elongated, you may need a thicker bar or professional lug repair. For leather, trim frayed edges and restitch or glue loose lining. For metal bracelets, remove the appropriate links and repin using the correct diameter pin. Make sure replacements match width and thickness, so the fit remains secure and aligned with the watch case. To reinstall, compress the spring bar into the strap end and insert one flange into the lug hole, then align and release the opposite flange so it snaps into place. You'll feel a subtle click. Once seated, tug gently and move the strap through its full pivot range to confirm fit. If it slips or feels loose, make sure both flanges are fully seated. If problems persist, swap to a firmer or correctly sized bar, or consult a watchmaker for bent lugs or precision reaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.